Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu has reported from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Isha night and the Fajr morning prayers are the most burdensome to the hypocrites, and said, I wish they knew what blessing lies in the Atama and the Fajr prayer. Imam Abu Abdullah rahimahullah said, one should choose to say Isha, for Allah Almighty has said after the Isha prayer. Surah Al-Nur verse 58. It is reported that Hazrat Abu Moosa radiyallahu anhu said, we went to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam one after another near the time of Isha, and he delayed it. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu and Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam delayed the Isha. And some has said, reporting from Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam delayed the Atama. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed the Isha prayer late. And Hazrat Abu Barza said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to delay the Isha prayer. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam delayed the last Isha. Hazrat Ibn Umar, Hazrat Abu Ayyub and Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhum said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed the Maghrib and the Isha prayer. Hazrat Salim radiyallahu anhu reports that Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu said, one night Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam led us in the Isha prayer, whom people called Atama. After completing it, he turned to us and said, do you see you are this night, but whosoever is on this earth will not remain alive after 1 century. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 564.